Gotta turn it on.
Yeah, it was on.
Yeah,
So it's gonna,
I can try it.
we're gonna charge it. This one was left on, so the juice
I'll
of
get down
the
there and hook those up, Mike.
of the what you call this
Make sure.
battery is gone. So we're gonna hook it up. Do like that. And do another one.
Yeah.
Come on, beach. Should go there.
Yeah.
Where you gonna hook it? Oh, under? I didn't know that.
Oh, come on, get on there.
It's no back. The battery is empty. There, guys. Ooh, I see that. There you go. We're just gonna wait. Work. Now it's starting. Oh my god. Okay. Lift it up. We're gonna work on. So we're gonna dig dirt today. I'm just gonna follow my uncle and we're gonna go over here. Okay, we're gonna go here in the back. Gotta keep walking. Just walking, guys. Oh, see, this is where we're gonna get dirt. My uncle is gonna scoop it up. Okay, guys. Done. He's gonna. Look at the wheels. So it's coming. It's coming, the dirt. We're gonna dump it. See this? That's a digger. A digging machine. It's big. now. It rained this morning, but now it's done. So we're working on it. We tilled the dirt in the garden over there. We tilled it. Now we're gonna do over here. Hold on, guys. See, we're gonna put more dirt over there. What? Look at that. How you do it? Down more. All right, look at that. That's how we transfer dirt in here. These are the dirt we got. So we're done. We only needed one scoop for the plants.